Welcome back to the podcast from SDC International Shipping. Today's episode is about freedom, not just the kind you find in your calendar as a freelancer, but the kind that comes from living exactly where you want to live. Meet Andrea, a freelancer who chose a different path. Andrea had what many people dream of, a fully remote freelance career. She worked in digital design, collaborating with clients around the world, and could technically live anywhere. But something about her fast-paced life in Los Angeles just didn't feel right anymore. The cost of living was climbing, her work-life balance was off, and her dream of traveling more had taken a back seat. So she started researching where could she live well, save money, and feel inspired again. One country kept popping up, Mexico. Choosing Mexico for lifestyle, cost, and culture. What drew Andrea in wasn't just the lower cost of living. It was lifestyle, sun, sea, and a slower pace. After a short exploratory trip, she was sold. There were cafes with Wi-Fi nearby, a beach welcoming expat groups, and an apartment that cost half of what she was paying in LA. But while the idea did sound perfect, the logistics of an international move was overwhelming her. That's when she called SDC International Shipping. I needed somebody who had done this before, Andrea said, not just a shipping company, a relocation partner. From the first phone call, Andrea felt reassured. The SDC team walked her through every step, choosing the right size container to custom documents and car shipping options. They helped her decide what to take, what to sell, and what could go into storage. Packing a remote life. Andrea didn't need to ship everything, but what she did ship mattered. Ergonomic desk, professional monitors, vintage record player, and her bike all came with her. SDC disassembled and packed everything with care, even building a custom crate for her tech gear. Few fragile items, glass decor, and artwork. These were all professionally wrapped and marked for inspection. She also shipped her car in a container right alongside her household goods. From city hustle to beachfront routine, 6 weeks later, everything arrived safely in Mexico. Andrea settled into a beachside condo just outside of town. Mornings were for client calls and projects, afternoons for tacos and surf, evenings for sunsets and new friends. I didn't just move, she said. I rebalanced my life. Are you thinking of taking the leap? If you're a freelancer dreaming of better work-life blend, maybe Mexico is your next move too. And if it is, call 877-339-0267 or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com to start planning. SDC helped Andrea take her remote career south and turn every day into something extraordinary. Because at SDC, we don't just move boxes, we help you move your future.